Yeah, that's just true.
That is just yeah.
Okay, I am just now starting
80,
because I
84
didn't realize
extremes
I had to
versus
update
3
the
extremes, you know?
I'm also doing a mango certified practice run, so that's my excuse.
Let's see if I can catch up to you.
You probably
Yeah, let's see
can,
if I.
because I'm never placing checkpoints. Did you know? Bro, I know what I'm doing, and I'm doing it anyway.
Okay, I need the fucking music.
Bro, this is actually just an addiction. I'm addicted to no checkpoints.
I'm just gonna start dying in the middle of my fucking job now. Finally!
Let's see, but
Finally! I'm doing
Oh
the
my
thing
god,
where you
wait,
press
let's
the
go!
button.
Let's fucking go!
Oh
my
my
shit.
shit!
Let's go!
Let's fucking go.
Wait, wacky.
What happened?
Guess what?
Jesus Christ. Hi.
You win. You winner! Let's fucking
You
go.
winner!
QP.
Winner shit. Yeah.
We know.
Bro, are you okay?
We're in winning season now. We all win.
Good?
We know.
Help.
Happy
I'm
face.
here for help.
Help,
Comma.
K. Help, comma. Let's go. Nice job.
Oh, 10th Victor. With fun.
10th on the
Ooh,
leaderboard.
I like
That's
this duel.
pretty-
Easy demon.
Easy demon.
Demon.